Hi, Edward Pland here from the Business League, and we've got you registered for our breakfast on Wednesday the 2nd of October. So I just wanted to share with you what you need to know, how to get the most out of it, and cover through all the logistics. So on Wednesday it's our 100% networking breakfast, and this is where we roll up our sleeves if we have long shirts and get in and really just help you get quality connections for your business, whether that's support you need in the business, contractors, clients, strategic partners. We're going to work on it. There'll be 60 people there just working on your business for you. So to get the most out of it, have a clear idea about what would be some amazing connections you'd want. Bring your business cards and come ready to go. Doors open at 6:30 in the morning. Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock and we go through all the way through to 9 o'clock. Please come and say good day to me and my wife Beck, who's just there recording, and we'll grab you during the breakfast just to have a chat and say hi and tell you a little bit about us as well. But if you've got any questions, hit reply to this email, and if we don't hear from you before then, we'll see you on Wednesday the 2nd of October at Bond University.